Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Google Gemini Code Assist, a revolution in coding and how it changes everything. Google's decision to make Gemini Code Assist, its advanced AI coding assistant, free for all users, with certain usage limits, most likely, is a landmark moment that will fundamentally change the landscape of software development. This tutorial will explore the capabilities of Gemini Code Assist, how it works, its implications for coders of all levels, and provide code examples to illustrate its power. What is Gemini Code Assist? Gemini Code Assist, previously known as codey, is Google's AI-powered coding assistant built on the powerful Gemini AI model. It's designed to streamline the coding process, enhance productivity, and even help developers learn new languages and techniques. It operates within various integrated development environments, ides, and text editors, integrating directly into your workflow. Key features of Gemini Code Assist *** code completion **. This is the most basic and ubiquitous feature. As you type code, Gemini predicts what you're likely to write next and offers intelligent suggestions. It goes beyond simple keyword